a particular region. Now him all this problem they start from before it will turn to war. How many years now when they fight this their insecurity matter when they claim say they won't fight them? Now this insecurity situation, now him make Buhari take over from Goodluck Jonathan because of too much sweet propaganda machine when APC people put in place. Till today now, the same Buhari, when I say he did, you know they talk anything about insecurity again. He never come out since when he then claims say he win 2019 elections, say he win them. Even before he die, the same Buhari, when don't die, when I tell us say he die alive, okay, let's assume say he die alive, okay? We they assume not say the Buhari die alive. But the Buhari now, when they are alive, when they claim, he never speak one day about the insecurity situation in Nigeria. Why? Now, the bandits, they different too, ladies and gentlemen. According to the way when Nigerian government classified them, now then they produce them, now then they aid them, now then they sponsor them. So they don't give them different kinds of names that they give them. They say some are bandits, some are kidnapper, some are ISIS, some are this one, some are that one. You know, so, but we never still know the difference between bandits and kidnappers and the ISIS and all these people. You know, and all this problem they come from the north. Now, they don't go the southeast, they don't go the southwest. Now, the southwestern people, then they get big problem. Even the southeastern people, even though say Nandekano don't roll out the ESN, still there are a lot of challenges in southeast regarding this same insecurity. But the thing going worse in the southwest. Okay, we go take a look on the name where they tell us now, say bandit don't release the names and pictures of 21 people when they don't kidnap, when they in their den, when they suffer. Then the government will come and say they don't settle, they don't pay. Okay, where you they pay now? Una say una they settle them. Una won't settle them. Una they pay them money, they carry money they give this people. It don't solve the problem. It don't solve the problem. No. So if the payment of this to these people not solve any problem, so una go re-strategize, use another form, another way to fight this insecurity problem. If I don't tell us they pay, APC they carry money, they give bandits. Even a Gumi, the northern man, when we declare it, don't come and last and say, make them bring money. Say the bandit when they Zamfara side, say now because of school, now because of road, and because of different things, now I made them carry arms. Say make government bring money, when them budget for security, make them go give these people. This is insane, ladies and gentlemen. If you know, say the payments not they work. Then use another strategy to follow up the thing. Then see whether that one will work or not. Make I give you an example. Example, ladies and gentlemen. Now, una remember, see, many years they come. Many years they come. Years when American people don't try to settle these Israelis and the Palestinians with one way of, they are doing it one way all the time. They're not going to succeed in our work. They continue fighting, they continue killing themselves, they continue bombing themselves. So when Trump stepped in, Trump said no. Say now one way that they take follow this thing, say you no go use that way again. When did they use before? So he go use his own way, another way to see whether he go fit solve the problem. You understand? And the word say when Trump roll out in own way, when he want use the word condemn him everywhere. The people condemn him, everybody condemn Mr. Trump. But today, ladies and gentlemen, Trump was able to put things right. He made Jerusalem the capital of Israel. No president ever in this world have ever succeeded to settle the conflict between the Israelis and the Palestinians. But When Trump, he said no, he no one use the same way when other presidents don't use before, because that way when they use before, it not they work. So when he roll out his agenda regarding how he want to settle the matter, the whole world condemned the man, but the man was able to make it right. Today now, nobody they hear about that conflict again. Say Israel they bomb this, Israel and the Palestinians they do this, Israel they do that. Today, Jerusalem remain the capital of Israel. No more problem. Even though Biden did now, it will be very difficult for Biden to roll back that thing unless Biden won civil war in the Middle East. It will be difficult for Biden to say no, because Israelis them no go accept. So this is how una suppose change una strategy. Una don dey pay these people. DKs they come, they pay bandit, they pay Boko Haram, they pay Hesman, they pay all these people. You know they work. So you change. Find another solution to solve this problem. Because paying these people will not solve the problem. Una they pay them as soon as they pay them, as so then they grow wings they come. Today una go pay, tomorrow una go pay, next year una go pay, upcoming year una go pay. How you feel say the problem will solve? These people, when they give money, when you give them money finish, when you pay them finish, they will go buy arms and ammunition. They will continue doing what they do because they say they lucrative. They will say that they make money. Somebody like an Arafai give one example last time, and I like that example when Arafai give to Nigerian people. Now common sense the man try to give honor. Arafai say yes, this Hesman people when they kill people, though we know say nah they are people. Say this Hesman people when they do all these things. Say why honor things say they will stop killing people? When we say before, then they sell cow in a year they make 100,000. Then drop the cow when they sell. Now that they kidnap people in a year, somebody when they make 100,000, they make 1 million or 2 million or 3 million. You say how you feel say that person go stop that thing when he know say money they come out from there. Just the same thing. Una they pay these people millions, billions of dollars when I carry give all these bandits. How you feel say they go stop? Now since Arafai try to give una say meaning say make una change strategy, stop paying these people and follow these people with action. That is the only way to stop this thing. If una want stop this menace, if una want stop this killing, if una want stop this bandit of a thing, Boko Haram, Hesman and all these people. Not be because say you they pay them go make them to stop the thing. Not be say they carry money every day, they carry money they give them. How you want make it stop? No go ever stop. It be like how Nigerian people they always talk in social media, no action. How you feel say government go regret waiting they happen? They're not gonna ever regret. They will continue to deal with you. They will continue to come after you, continue to come after your family because you refuse to stand up. Because they just say no, these people they not fit do us anything. They only talk, they go fit talk. When they don't talk finish, everybody don't go sit down for house. So they will continue doing what they do. It's a very simple logic, ladies and gentlemen. So we go down deep, make we read, see people when the 21 able-bodied men and women, when these people kidnap, when they tell us say they don't publish their names. In fact, bandits they don't fear. In the face of government, in the face of army and police, in the face of DSS and all whatnot, these people went ahead to publish their names. That even they throw away the video up and down in social media. What are you telling me, ladies and gentlemen? So make we read, make we see how they talk and the names of the people when they give us. But if I call your name, say the name not correct, you know, say me, I'm not be Hausa man, I'm not be Yoruba man, ladies and gentlemen. If I mention their names not too correct, please don't be angry. You go manage them the way where you see them. I'm not be Hausa man, I'm not be Yoruba man. Okay? So may we go ahead. Bandits that kidnaps no fewer than 21 persons in Yakila Rafi local government area, Niger State, just released the video and the names of victims. They say, where is a hashtag? Where is PMB? Where is President Muhammadu Buhari? The list of persons kidnapped in the NESTA bus. Okay? Number one of them, when they mention, ladies and gentlemen, na Talatu Juma, Tyra Halima, Aisha Ya Fati. So we don't call Nigerian government, made them prosecute the army when they in charge of the those ladies when they arrest in Rivers State, come carry them go Imo State, come carry them go Abuja, Asokoro. Those ladies when they rape in their detention center, what they call a army barrack. So the president and people when sabi the law in Nigeria should go prosecute the army when they in charge of those people when they rape. Those ladies need justice. Those ladies, they cry. They are even the ones, the two of them when die, their souls, they cry for justice. So Nigerian army have to be prosecuted, the man when they in charge of those people. Now we go talk about Abdulsalami Abubakar. Abdulsalami Abubakar, ladies and gentlemen, na man when follow destroy Nigeria, just like this Obasanjo, this Wole Soyinka, these old people. What I don't tell them, I say, if we not stand up on these people, we have problem, all of us. We get big problem, all of us in Nigeria. Okay? So after they don't destroy the nation, when they say they're not there in power again, they will come on social media, they yarn Opata. Abdulsalami Abubakar, now just 6 months when in they into power in that country, the man become a billionaire. Just 6 months. After 6 months when in they in power, I don't say the man not to rule. They just give him the thing small, and so he take carry all the whole money when they in his possession come turn to a billionaire. The same man when they tell us say in they make peace, in a peacemaker, in they lead the peace people when they make peace in Nigeria. Today now, Nigeria they born on top this man head. He never fit make any peace, even from the north, even in any state in the north, the man never fit make any peace. When Atiku Abubakar and the President Muhammadu Buhari in that 2019, now the same man lead them saying he won't make peace. Now the same man, ladies and gentlemen, lead them saying he won't make peace. Till today, they not they born. Boko Haram day, ISWAP day, Ansaru day, Esmin day, everything, all the whole terrorists in the world today in the north. The same man when they claim say I am the peacemaker, Abdulsalami Abubakar, former Nigerian military president. Okay, the man not fit make any single peace. He don't come back again with the peace. He don't come back again with the fraudulent nyanes. Who not they deceive? I say this time around, we are here to expose all of them, one after the other, until they go leave Biafran people alone. So today's news, we are moving towards disintegration. Abdulsalami Abubakar break silence. Which silence are you breaking? When now una destroy Nigeria? Una destroy Nigeria. So what are you guys talking about? See Nigeria. Of course, we want Nigeria to disintegrate because nobody is living normally in that country again. Everything about Nigeria is fraud, ladies and gentlemen. The same people, they won't keep one Nigeria because of the oil from the southeastern part of the country. But then get gold, then get everything. We know they hear about gold from their side. Then go sell that one, put money for pocket. That is why you see Zamfara today, they on fire because of the gold where they get. The same gold, they know they tell us they get gold. But every time, If any small thing they happen, they say the same people go eastern part of the country, they want make peace there. Which peace are you people making? We don't already know, say na oil una dey find come southeastern part of the country, because una no want make the southeastern part of the country leave una. Now there una dey get una daily bread. That is just all. All these are chanting, oh, Nigeria want disintegrate. Now, because they are scared. The Northerners, they are scared. They not get nothing. And the same Abdulsalam Abaka, na Fulani man. The same Fulani people are telling us, say they come from Sahel. They come from nowhere. Take over everywhere in Nigeria. These people, they are not from Nigeria. They are not from Nigeria. These people will be the Fulani people. I just wonder, waiting our people they fold arms for. They watch these people taking over your nation. Foreigners, they want to take over your nation. This is insane, ladies and gentlemen. And if we not take time, these people, they will take over. This kidnapping, Ansaru, all this thing, when they get, now waiting, they want to destroy that nation. Total Islamization, now they want Islam. Forget anything when one politician won't tell you. All of them, they inside the agenda. Forget what the Channel Television call they tell you. They do like say that they pity. They never pity you one day, and they will never ever pity you. They keep on marching with their agenda. They no go ever stop. They keep on moving on with their agenda. That is why you see this thing will happen now. Before you know, 4 northern governors, they don't run go southwestern part of the country, go make peace with them. Before you know, Sunday go down come and say, no, I don't want to fight anything anymore. If anybody not stand up again with me, I don't go fight again. Until I see my people wake up, then I go wake up, follow them. I don't want to wake up before anybody again. Because you don't compromise. Because before the 4 governors, before they go that, they travel go that southwestern part of the country, Sunday Igboho never talk like that. Even before he was talking how he want to challenge people. Anybody when they call a name, any governor or any minister, they talk, so oh, if they give fake news about him again, he go do something. Today now another tone when Sunday Igboho they take talk. In Yoruba, una dey into problem. Nigerian people, not be only Yoruba. Not be only Yoruba, ladies and gentlemen. This thing dey for Delta State. This thing dey for Edo State. These people, these criminals, then they everywhere, every state in the country. Then they there. So una got to find how una want to solve this problem. This one not be matter of doing propaganda. That your money when you don't carry, when if you say it won't save you, it no go ever save you when it start. You go ever regret. You go ever regret. The time when these people go dominate everywhere. According to our leader Mazen Nanekano, he said the Fulanis then sabi the thing when they sabi that to rob, domination. Systematically, now they take dominate. Before you know, they don't take over everywhere. Look at Sokoto. Look at all the whole north. Now Fulani now where would they hear? Before now Hausa people, when the news tell us say na them and the Yoruba people amalgamate everybody in Nigeria. Where the Fulani people came from? When it come be said today now, Fulani would hear everywhere. All these men when they for Aso Rock, all of them are Fulani people. No single Hausa man inside. You don't see something. So, ladies and gentlemen, wetin bring us down here now about these 21 people, when the news they tell us say they kidnap, after they kidnap these people finish, they not even fear, they can still go publish their names. They don't fear. So you go continue to wonder and thunder how you want to survive in that nation if the situation continue to escalate like this. Forget anything when pastor they come out, they can't tell you. They can never save you. All of them, they enter Sorok. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you not get anything you want to tell us regarding this topic once again, we gonna come to Funky D's Star TV. Come tell us what in be on our minds. We dey here, we not go anywhere, and we are coming back again. But before you stand up there, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and one love. Bye.